Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. I wasn't even going to record this, but I was doing way too good in this game this time around to not record it. So, decided to record it. We're just doing a, actually I just did practice. I'm not going to practice again. But we're about to do another stock race here. Probably start a new one with the F1 racing stuff. I actually enjoyed this more than stock F1 racing, but I do want to get better at F1 racing just because I have to get better. I want to. But, yeah, so we're going to play this. I think I'm doing really good, so find out and see if I can win this race. I'll put all the AIs at 88% hard. I only didn't go any higher because it ended up cheating, so I want to try out the pros first. But I think I'm going to need the cheaters next, or aliens. Alright, let's do some qualifying. Put the seatbelt on. I guess I can just go, right? Definitely not the fastest, but we got it.
Chicken flag.
Let's see. Alright, I can't do it. I gotta wait till the timer goes off. But I think we did pretty good on that one. Let's see where we get into position. Definitely got me the front, right? Oh yeah,
we'll be lining up on the inside. Closed. Pit road is closed.
I'm not the fastest one. Alright. Alright. Let's see, we're 1, 2, 3, 4. We're probably, it looks like we're 5th right now. Alright, so this might be a challenging race. Let's hope. I really want a challenge. Stay behind. Oh. We all do over there.
One left to green.
Alright, let's see what we can do with this. We gotta stay behind this guy, and we're just gonna take off like a ball. Let's see how it goes. Actually, these guys probably go slow, so I'm probably gonna have to go a little slow at first. Pace car should be getting off here, and we should be going green after he gets off.
Go green, stay focused.
He's off.
Post car, green flag, green flag. Outside, clear outside.
Oh yeah, this is what I'm talking about.
Still there. Clear high. Car outside. Keep low. Clear.
We can do some passing on the outside here. We know that works for us the most.
Still there at the bottom. Stay high.
Alright, don't worry, that's not me for this guy.
Inside, get back in pit. Stay high. Still inside. Clear. Car inside.
We're inside, we're not
Clear
alone.
inside. That was just past the lap position. The car in P1 just sent past the lap. 15.762. You're in 4th position. The car in C1 just set past the lap, 15.747. Car inside.
Try to get up to these guys now. I don't know where the hell the leader's at, but we'll find him.
Car inside. Clear inside. Inside. Clear. Inside. Clear inside. Car inside. Clear inside. Outside. Outside clear.
Alright, we're making some good passes here. Still in third. Alright, I gotta stop cutting in too early. That's killing my time. Oh shit.
The lead consider 16.044. You're pulling away from the car behind. The gap is 1.9 seconds. Inside. Stay high to the car on the low side. Clear inside.
I need going a little bit earlier.
Car outside, clear. Outside, clear high. Car outside. Still there, hold your line. Clear up top.
I'm really good at this upper line. I really suck at that lower line.
The leader is running 16.172. You're pulling away from the car behind. The gap is 1.4 seconds. Inside. Stay high to the car on the right side. Clear inside. Still there at bottom. Stay high to the car on the right side. Clear. Still there.
You just say clear.
Inside.
Let's go 3 wide, buddies.
Outside. You're in the middle. 3 wide.
3 wide, it's alright. We're good.
Keep right. Clear inside. Leader is running 15.933.
Shit, he's pulling. He's doing pretty damn good. Alright, I'll give that guy credit. He's doing some pretty good laps. It doesn't mean he can't.
Car inside. Clear. Inside. Still there, hold your line. Keep high. Clear inside.
shit. Oh, do not want that. Hopefully I didn't get too much damage in that. We need some cautions. We need to put a caution in this because they're just getting away from us.
The leader just did a 16.045.
Well, yeah, the problem is, I can't get very far. I can feel the difference in it. I did damage it a little bit, but maybe still got it. Oh yeah, we damaged this thing. Alright, so we're gonna get third place most likely. It doesn't mean we can't try to get it and wet around.
Still leading on the car in front. The gap is 7.6 seconds outside. Still there. Clear outside if you want it. Car outside. Clear outside if you want it. Outside. You're on the bottom, 3 wide. Outside, 2 wide. Still hold. Car outside, 2 wide. Outside, clear.
I hear it. Oh, well, one problem with that.
Keep it up. We're in a great spot. The leader is coming up with you. They're not outside. You're up top, 3 wide. The leader just did a
hold on. I gotta get this wheel fixed.
Clear inside. The car behind is closing on you. The gap is 3.2 seconds.
Oh, shit. You know what? It might be better for us to stay in the race than to get out of it. It might be. Oh, because we can at least finish.
2 more. Let's go.
Alright, I don't know if this car got it, but we'll try. We don't got turn speed, but we do have... Oh shit, we lost positions.
The leader is coming up with you. Not outside. White flag this time. Clear.
Come on. Further. No,
Check a flag.
Alright, well, you're gonna have to hold me there. Hold me. I'm gonna use you to race me, okay? You're gonna friggin' nope, I'm kicking myself in line. Oh. That was it.
Okay, the race is over. Bring it on in.
Alright. Whew. Alright, we did pretty good the whole race. Just towards the end, I was just kind of pushing the car really hard. And that's why I went flying into the wall. So, you know, listen, you gotta push some limits, you gotta learn it. You gotta learn these limits to these cars. Oh, hold on, let's get in here. Alright, boys, the car is hurt. Sorry, boys, sorry, guys. You gotta fix this car up.
Pit boxing, 5.
Okay, I'll do it extreme.
3, 2, 1.
Oh.
Right here.
Perfect. Woo. Alright. Alright guys, listen, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. We got 5th place, which is better than we call it last, or, you know, we were at least more than halfway into the pack, so that's all that counts. And I was with a broken wheel at the last 5 laps of the whole race, so not too bad shabby at all. We held 3rd place for the most part for a good amount of time, but what are you going to do? We have accidents. I was pushing the car to its limits. I was just trying to see how far can I push it. My main thing, I think, to make it go a little faster is I gotta work my line. I'm very just throw it in and let the car, just control the car into it. I need to really make that a nice smooth transitions into those turns. So Other than that, oh, well, we finished 6th, actually, so I guess last second we probably got passed by somebody. I guarantee we did. But, yeah, so other than that, guys, listen, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like down below. Comment down below if any recommendations for games like that you guys want to see be played on for the sim racing, or anything inside iRacing. Subscribe to the channel. Go chase your dreams. Don't let anyone get in the way. Stay Maverick. I'll see you guys next one.